Rina, what color?
Red.
This
This triangle is red. Circle. This circle is purple. This pentagon is blue.
Okay, how about the other triangle? What color is that triangle?
This triangle is
Yellow green.
yellow green, and this circle is blue, and this green, and this pentagon is pink.
Very good. High five. Okay, you say the words 3 times. Okay, let's start with triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle. Clap your-
Triangle, triangle.
Great.
Circle, circle, circle.
Very
Pentagon,
good.
Pentagon, pentagon.
Wow. Okay, what is number 4?
Square.
No, try again.
Try.
That is rectangle.
Rectangle.
Okay, you write now rectangle. What is the first letter?
Let me check.
Okay, try to check.
W.
No, try again. Rectangle. No, rectangle. Yeah, that one. What letter is that?
R. Kane?
Yes, letter R. You started with letter R. Okay, write it there. R.
Or. Unsa pa?
E. No need. Don't go there. Okay, E. Just write. Do not cover. Okay, C.
T.
T.
C.
A.
A.
N.
N.
N. Okay, is that an N?
N.
No, that's R. N. N. Very good. G. G. No, only one N. After N, okay, I'll erase this. Okay, so after N is G. Okay, here. Okay. Closer to N. Closer to N. Okay. Come here. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Okay, come here.
N.
N. You're done. You're done with N. Come here. You're done with N. Let's have letter G. Now, Karina, come on. You write letter G. Faster. Okay, letter G. No, here. Okay, then L. E. Very good. You say rectangle, rectangle, rectangle.
Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle.
Okay, you clap your hands. You are drawing the rectangle. That's a square. Rectangle is longer. Okay, rectangle is longer. No equal size. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, connect. That's it. Okay, very good. High five. Check. Okay, what's number 5? Look at number 5.
I want.
You will color. Okay, I will color also. Let me have blue violet is mine.
I want black.
Okay, go. Color it black. Okay, let me see. Okay.